Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are all doing great and you are improving your English speaking skills. So today I'm here to talk about self-talk. Like self-talk also helps you to improve your English speaking skills. I talk myself most of the time when I when I work in the kitchen, when I uh, walk, when I do something, I talk with myself. I talk to myself in English to practice my English. So self-talk also help us to improve our English speaking skills. And it's very helpful. The more you talk to yourself, the more you understand your emotion, your thoughts. And I think this is the easiest way. This is the easiest way to improve your easiest way that helps you to improve your English speaking skills. Actually, yesterday I was I was cooking the food for my family, like preparing the meals for my family, and suddenly my brothers came into the kitchen, and I was talking to myself. So he said to me, "With whom you are talking?" So I tell him that I'm talking with myself. I'm talking to myself. So he called me mad. So I said to him that yeah, I am mad because I'm talking to myself. You can say that. But I was practicing my English. I was just talking to myself. So sometimes when you do the self talk, everyone say to you, if someone say to you that you're mad, you're like looking like an idiot, it's okay. So I was uh, talking. I used to talk a lot with myself. I also talk in Hindi and like sometimes Bhojpuri, but when I practice my English, uh, uh, I used to talk a lot with myself in English. Whether I'm making a mistakes, I made a mistakes or whatever it is, but whatever it is, but I talk to myself. So it's helped me a lot. And sometimes I sing a song in English to practice my English. And whenever I feel bored, like I don't want to watch video in English, I don't want to listen the podcast. So what I used to do, I listen the music. And so music helps me to feel better and also learn the vocabularies and help me to improve my English also. And I love music a lot, whether it's Hindi, whether it's English. But now I'm learning English, so used I listen a lot of English songs. And there are a bunch of the songs that I like. And even I sing a song, like I don't just listen, I sing also. So I love music. So I listen English songs so I can improve my English. And also I listen podcast and sometimes watch some movies in English. So it's helped me to improve my English speaking skills. Learning English is not very hard, but you have to do the practice. Practice makes progress. So the more you practice, the better your uh, language becomes. Like you, the more you improve in your in English language. So I practice, like everyone has a different way to practice their English. Like most of the people used to write, listen, and speaking. Speaking is must. If you are doing all the things and you are not practicing, you are not speaking in English. So all the process that you are doing, it won't help you to improve your English speaking skills. So writing down the vocabularies and listening the podcast or doing something that doesn't work, anything does, if you are doing all the things and you are not practicing, you are not speaking in English, you are not practicing, and so whatever you do, like listening the podcast or writing down the vocabularies, but you are not speaking to your mouth, so it won't help you to improve your English speaking skills. So you have to speak, you have to practice, you have to speak out loud. Do the practice that will help you to improve your English speaking skills. There is no another way to improve your English speaking skills. One thing I understand, the more you speak, the better, the more you speak, the better you become at speaking. And if you watching or listening or doing all the things and you are not speaking, so whatever you do, it won't help you to improve your English speaking skill. So speaking is a must. Speak, but whether you are speaking wrong or right, first open your mouth and speak, and then after that, step by step, day by day, you have to work on your, like, on your speaking journey, like correcting your mistakes and improving day by day. Then you can start to correcting your mistakes. But first you have to start speaking. That's all you have to do. The more you think about the vocabularies or learning idioms and list or something, doing everything, but you are not speaking, so you just creating the confusion. So don't create the confusion, start speaking. That's really important. That's all for today that I wanted to share with you. Thank you so much for watching this video.